Hey there! Ever heard of fluxweed? This fascinating herb is not just a myth from magical tales. It has a rich history and some surprising uses. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to grow and harvest it yourself. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an easy herbal gardening guide like this one. Fluxweed, or Lycopus europaeus, is a perennial herb native to Europe and parts of Asia. It's part of the mint family, known for its calming effects on the nervous system and its ability to help with circulation. Also called gypsywort or bugleweed, it's been a staple in traditional medicine for ages. Now, what exactly is fluxweed? This wetland plant thrives in damp soils near ponds, rivers, and marshes. It grows about 1 to 3 feet tall, with those signature square stems of the mint family. The leaves are dark green, ovate, and serrated, while the flowers are small, tubular, and range from pale purple to pink. Historically, it was used to treat thyroid issues, anxiety, and respiratory problems. Just a heads up though, fluxweed is considered safe in moderate amounts, but always consult a healthcare provider before using it medicinally. Let's talk about growing fluxweed. This herb prefers moist, nutrient-rich soil and can tolerate partial shade to full sun. Ideal soil pH? Slightly acidic to neutral, around 6.0 to 7.5. It loves wetland conditions, so try to replicate that in your garden. You can start fluxweed from seeds or cuttings. Seeds can be sown indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or directly in the garden once the frost danger passes. If you're using cuttings, take a 4 to 6 inch stem cutting from an established plant, remove the lower leaves, and place it in moist soil or water until roots form. Space the plants about 12 to 18 inches apart for good airflow. When it comes to care, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture. You don't need heavy fertilization, just a balanced organic fertilizer once in early spring will do. Watch out for slugs and aphids, they can occasionally be a problem. For harvesting, the best time is during flowering, typically mid to late summer. This is when the leaves and flowers have the highest concentration of active compounds. Use sharp scissors or pruning shears to snip the stems about 2 inches above the ground, which encourages regrowth. It's best to harvest in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day. You can dry the harvested herb by hanging small bundles in a dark, well-ventilated area for about 1 to 2 weeks. Store dried fluxweed in airtight containers away from light and moisture to preserve its medicinal properties. Fluxweed is a unique, beautiful herb with a rich history and simple growing needs. Whether you're looking to add it to your herbal garden or explore its traditional uses, now you know exactly how to grow and harvest it successfully. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow herb enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own fluxweed growing experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!